There's a book somewhere in heaven where God wrote my story. Every minute, every second, planned perfectly for me. I don't know what the pages hold, but I know the author of it saved my soul. There's a book somewhere in heaven. Somewhere in heaven, there's a room prepared just for me. The saints and angels gather round a throne and love to sing. Somewhere in heaven, people walk with gold underneath their feet, perfect together with Jesus forever. Somewhere in heaven, yeah, somewhere in heaven, the blood is speaking from the mercy seat. The Father's grace